Hi, in front of me is VIVO Y17 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google. When your app is ready, open it. Now select Continue in the pop-up. Tap on Allow in the second one. And click on Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on. Last but not least, click on Download category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!